In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a passkey from your Google account. Managing security settings can sometimes feel intimidating, but I'll guide you step by step to make it simple. Removing old or unused passkeys helps maintain control over your account and ensures only trusted devices and services have access. This small step can make a big difference in keeping your account safe. First, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of your Google homepage. In the drop-down menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This opens your account management page where you can access personal, privacy, and security settings. Next, click the Security tab in the left-hand menu. Here, you manage everything from passwords to two-factor authentication, including passkeys. Scroll to the passkey section to see all passkeys associated with your account. Take a moment to review them carefully to confirm which are still in use and which aren't necessary anymore. To remove a passkey, click the X icon next to the key you want to delete. Google will remove it immediately, and that device or service will no longer have access. Removing unnecessary passkeys is a quick and effective way to tighten account security. And that's it. You've successfully removed a passkey from your Google account. Make it a habit to check your security settings periodically, ensuring your account remains protected and only trusted devices have access. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Google account more confidently and securely.